In this video, we are going to discuss about the structure of starfish. This starfish is commonly known as the Asterias, and this belongs to the phylum Echinodermata and subphylum Eulothirozoa and the class Asteroideae and order Forcipulata, genus Asteriasis and species Rubenes. This Asteriasis is exclusively marine. Marine means this lives in the seawater, etc. Like this marine salty water, and these are carnivorous. Carnivorous means feeds on animals and feeds on almost all available slow moving or sessile animals. Sessile animals means the animals which are attached to the substratums. They cannot move, they are just fixed to the substratum. Such animals are known as the sessile animals. And carnivorous means depends upon animal eating animals. Starfish is of different shape. It may be star shape, reticulate, flat structure. Because of this, we cannot see the anterior and posterior end in Asteriasis. Instead of this, we can see the oral and aboral surface. Oral surface means imagine this is the starfish. The surface which is attached to the ground, this is known as the oral surface, and the surface which is not attached to the ground is known as the aboral surface. This kind of structure is the starfish. We cannot see anterior and posterior end. We can see oral and aboral surface. This is the structure of the oral surface of starfish. In the center of the starfish is present a mouth, and this mouth is surrounded by a soft delicate membrane, the peristomium membrane or peristromium, and this peristromium is guarded by a 5 group of oral spines or mouth papillae. From each angle of the mouth radiates a narrow groove known as the ambulacral groove, and this ambulacral groove runs all along the middle of the oral surface of the each arm. In each arm, this ambulacral groove is present. From this ambulacral groove arises the 2 feet. See, this is the 2 feet, and this 2 feet is a locomotory, food capturing, respiratory, and sensory organ. This 2 feet is a soft, delicate reticulate structure. Along with this 2 feet, the suckers are present, and this suckers helps in the attachment. Along with these 2 feet, from the ambulacral groove arises the ambulacral spines. We cannot write the diagram of spines. Ambulacral spines, and these ambulacral spines is made up of the calcium, and these ambulacral spines are movable and helps in the defensive function. And at the tip of the each arm bear a small median non-reticulate alloprojecting the terminal tentacle, and this terminal tentacle is tactile or olfactory organ, and at the base of the terminal tentacle is present a photosensitive hotspot, and this it is bright red in color. This is the structure of oral surface, which is normally present towards the substratum and contains mouth, and this oral surface is of dark orange to purplish in color, and this surface is normally attached to the ground. And now is the this is the structure of aboral surface, which is not attached to the ground. This aboral surface is normally remains towards the upper surface known as the aboral surface, and it is a light orange to purplish color, and it is very dark because of pigment. And on the aboral surface at the center is present a minute circular aperture known as the anus. Through this, the undigested food or material comes out. On aboral surface also occurs a flat, semicircular, asymmetrical and grooved structure known as the madreporate. This madreporate is the post part of the ambulacral groove, and it is a sieve-like porous plate, and it leads to the ambulacral groove, and it is a flat subcircular and sieve-like plate. This madreporate is not at the center, but at the base of the two arms, and the entire aboral surface is covered by the numerous short, blunt, calcareous spines or tubercles. These spines are of variable size and arranged irregularly in the rows running parallelly all along the arms. Similarly, the spines are present in all these arms. And at the end of the arms is present a terminal tentacle which is olfactory in function. At the base of this terminal tentacle is present a photosensitive eye spot. And this is the structure of aboral surface, which is not attached to the ground, which is generally towards the upper side, and it is light orange to purplish in color.